Have you ever ran an internet speed test and noticed that the speed came back slower than what you signed up for? In this video, we will show you some of the factors on why this is happening and how to run a proper speed test on your internet. Hi, I'm Lindsay from Nemont, and thanks for watching this video. Look, I've been there. I ran a speed test on my phone to see what my internet speed is, and it's dramatically lower than what I'm paying for. So what's going on? Here are some answers. When you run a speed test on your phone or your wireless laptop, you are not doing a proper internet speed test. The reason why is because you are doing the speed test through your Wi-Fi system. Your Wi-Fi is a wireless internet signal that is flying all over your house, making life easy without having to plug your device into an Ethernet cord. But it has its drawbacks. Wi-Fi signals do break down, and some places in your home might not get the best internet speed test. Sure, you can still stream all your favorite shows on your phone, but it's not a good way to test your internet speed. Let's take a look. I'll run a speed test and see what I get here. Now, I have a gig speed to my house, so in the perfect world, I should be getting a gig, right? You see, we're not even close, and that's because it's on Wi-Fi. The signal for my Wi-Fi is breaking down, or what they like to call signal degradation. The signal has to pass through walls, and it's getting grabbed by other devices. Heck, even the microwave could cause interference. Even if you put your phone next to your Wi-Fi router and ran a speed test, the speed would probably be better, but we're still not close to what we're looking for. There have been many leaps in Wi-Fi technology in the last couple of years, but we're still not there yet. So, how do you do a proper internet speed test? Well, you're gonna have to plug your laptop straight into your router. Now, we would not recommend running a speed test through your gaming console like an Xbox, because even if it is hardwired into the router, they tend to show inconsistent speeds. Plus, you don't know where their speed test server is located. Now, before you run this speed test, I must tell you that we are not going to get to our gig speed. And there are countless reasons why. The age of your computer is one, the processing capability, and of course the amount of devices connected to the internet in your home. But we should get pretty close. You could go out and buy all new equipment and spend a small fortune, and you still wouldn't get to your exact speed. And that's why providers like Nemont say up to a certain speed. So let's run a speed test on the laptop. And to run a speed test, we need to run it on our network. So let's go to www.nemont.com. Click on the speed test button. Click go. And there you go. You see, much better. Thank you for watching this video on running a proper internet speed test. If you have any questions, please call Nemont Customer Service at 1-800-636-6680.